Let's be honest, in 2026, square footage is the new luxury. Whether you're moving into a 200 square foot studio or just trying to reclaim your guest room from the clutter monster, the struggle is the same. How do you live big in a space that feels small? Most space-saving furniture looks great on paper but falls apart the second you actually try to use it. That's why we've spent the last 6 months reviewing and hands-on testing the most innovative pieces on the market today. We aren't just looking at catalogs, we're looking at mechanical durability, real-world ease of use, and, most importantly, how these pieces actually feel in a tight corner. In today's deep dive, we're breaking down the top 5 space-saving furniture picks for tiny homes that aren't just clever, they are game changers. From robotic beds that vanish into the ceiling to console tables that can host a 12-person dinner party, these are the high-authority picks you need to see. I've rounded up all the direct links to the best current pricing in the description and the pinned comment below, so you can check the specs as we go. Let's get into it.
This video is presented to you by Trusty Picks.
Number 5. Steelcase Flex Personal Spaces Wall Desk. In the 2026 landscape of remote work, the Steelcase Flex Personal Spaces Wall Desk stands as the ultimate high-authority workstation for those living in restricted square footage. This unit is a masterclass in ergonomic engineering, utilizing a heavy-gauge steel wall-mounting system that can support an impressive load of high-end computing hardware, including dual 32-inch monitor arms and professional-grade audio equipment. The desktop surface is crafted from high-pressure laminate, HPL, with a beveled edge, providing a comfortable interface for long hours of deep work. What distinguishes the Flex Personal Spaces series is its focus on psychological zoning within a tiny home. The desk features integrated privacy wraps, curved acoustic PET felt panels that provide both a visual barrier and significant noise reduction, creating a secluded office environment in the middle of a multi-purpose room. The hardware includes a sophisticated internal power routing system with an integrated 60W USB-C power delivery hub and a recessed cable management tray that keeps all wiring hidden from view. In 2026, this desk is prized for its disappearing capability. The surface can be folded down, or the entire unit can be mounted on a sliding track to be hidden behind a wardrobe or in a closet when the workday concludes. This allows the user to physically and mentally leave the office, a crucial benefit for mental health in small-scale living. Its modular design allows for the addition of magnetic accessories, vertical shelving, and custom task lighting, making it a scalable solution that grows with the user's career. It is the definitive choice for the professional who demands a no-compromise, high-performance workspace that occupies zero permanent floor space. Number 4. Expand Furniture Dormire V2 Bunk Sofa. The Dormire V2 represents a significant leap forward in the engineering of convertible seating, specifically designed for the ultra-efficient urban dwellings of 2026. At first glance, the Dormire V2 appears to be a high-end contemporary 3-seater sofa, upholstered in premium abrasion-resistant performance fabrics that are built to withstand the rigors of multi-use environments. However, beneath the cushions lies a complex, counterbalanced rotating hinge system that allows the sofa to transform into 2 full-sized vertical bunk beds in under 30 seconds. This is achieved without removing a single cushion, as the mechanical chassis pivots the seating surfaces into a secure, stacked configuration. The technical specs are rigorous, the frame is reinforced with a powder-coated steel skeleton, and the upper bunk features a specialized locking key system to prevent accidental closure. Each bed is equipped with a high-resilience, multi-layer foam mattress that provides orthopedic support, making it suitable for nightly use. What makes the Dormire V2 stand out in 2026 is its vertical-first expansion logic. Traditional sofa beds expand outward, often blocking pathways and requiring the movement of other furniture. The Dormire V2 expands upward, preserving the room's circulation and layout. This makes it an essential tool for the minimalist professional who occasionally hosts guests or for the resident of a tiny home who needs to accommodate a roommate in a single-room footprint. The build quality is exceptional, featuring silent, frictionless joints and a heavy-duty ladder that doubles as a safety rail. It is a sophisticated piece of industrial design that prioritizes both the aesthetics of a luxury living room and the technical requirements of a high-capacity sleeping solution. Number 3. Resource Furniture Kali Duo Bunk System. The Kali Duo by Resource Furniture is the definitive architectural solution for high-density family living or professional co-living environments in 2026. This Italian-engineered bunk bed system is not merely a piece of furniture, but a sophisticated mechanical installation that utilizes a patented gas piston soft-close mechanism. This hardware allows the upper and lower berths to be deployed or stowed with minimal physical effort, while an integrated safety lock ensures the beds remain securely in place. The frame is constructed from high-tensile cold-rolled steel, which provides the structural rigidity necessary for a permanent sleeping solution rather than a temporary guest bed. A standout feature of the Kali Duo is its modular front paneling, which can be configured with a variety of attachments, including a 7-foot integrated work desk or a contemporary sofa. This ensures that the footprint of the bed remains productive 24 hours a day. The 2026 edition features upgraded acoustic dampening within the frame to eliminate the metallic creaks often associated with bunk systems, as well as a new gravity flip ladder system that automatically locks into position as a structural support when the upper bed is lowered. The design is sleek and flush, intended to be recessed into cabinetry or installed as a standalone feature wall that blends into the room's architecture. For families living in micro-units, the Kali Duo provides a critical sense of place for each inhabitant, offering private sleeping quarters that vanish into the wall when not in use, thereby preserving the common area for play, work, or exercise. It is the gold standard for those who require high-authority, durable solutions that maximize vertical space without compromising on the safety or comfort of the occupants. Number 2. Transformer Table, Acacia 2026 Edition. The 2026 Transformer Table is a masterwork of modular carpentry and mechanical engineering, designed for the modern host who resides in an environment where space is at a premium. Constructed from 100% solid FSC-certified acacia wood, this table is built to withstand decades of use, utilizing a proprietary heavy-duty telescopic aluminum rail system that allows it to expand from a compact 18-inch console to a massive 10-foot banquet table. The hardware is the result of years of refinement, featuring high-precision ball-bearing glides that ensure smooth extension even when fully loaded. One of its most impressive technical features is the magnetic leaf-locking system, which utilizes rare earth magnets to pull the tabletop sections together, creating a virtually seamless surface that eliminates the gaps and wobbles common in inferior expandable tables. The build quality is further enhanced by a 2026 exclusive ceramic-infused topcoat, providing a high-authority finish that is virtually immune to heat, liquid damage, and scratches from daily use. This table is the ideal solution for the digital nomad or the urban professional who requires a slim, non-intrusive hallway desk for daily administrative tasks, but refuses to sacrifice the ability to host a 12-person dinner party. The design aesthetic is minimalist and sophisticated, allowing the natural grain of the acacia to serve as the primary visual element. By integrating 5 additional leaves that are stored in a matching multifunctional coffee table, the Transformer Coffee Table, this system offers unparalleled flexibility. It represents a fundamental shift in furniture design, where one single SKU replaces 3 different pieces of furniture: a desk, a dining table, and a sideboard, drastically reducing the physical clutter within a micro-apartment while maintaining a high level of hospitality capability. Number 1. Orai Cloudbed Sofa Edition. The Orai Cloudbed Sofa Edition is a pinnacle of 2026 residential robotics, engineered to solve the most persistent conflict in micro-living: the trade-off between a high-quality sleep surface and a functional living area. This system operates on a high-precision, motorized linear actuator chassis integrated into a custom-built, floor-to-ceiling architectural bulkhead. Unlike manual wall beds that rely on counterweights and physical exertion, the Cloudbed utilizes a silent dual-motor drive that allows a full-size queen or king mattress to descend from the ceiling along a pair of reinforced steel rails. The structural integrity is uncompromising, featuring a UL-certified steel frame that ensures the bed remains perfectly level and stable, even on uneven flooring. The exterior finish is available in a variety of premium wood veneers, such as sustainably sourced Spanish poplar, which provides a warm, organic contrast to the industrial-grade machinery hidden within. When retracted, the system reveals a high-end 3-seater sofa, with deep-seated ergonomic cushions and integrated dimmable LED task lighting, creating a luxury lounge atmosphere. The 2026 model stands out due to its advanced smart home ecosystem integration. It can be fully controlled via Matter-compliant voice assistants or a dedicated mobile app, allowing users to automate their morning and evening room configurations. For the professional studio dweller, this piece represents an investment in cognitive performance, as it accommodates a full 8-inch hybrid mattress, a significant upgrade over the thin, uncomfortable pads found in traditional folding furniture. It effectively reclaims approximately 35 square feet of usable floor space during the day, making a 200-square-foot apartment feel significantly more expansive and premium. So, that wraps up our list of the best space-saving furniture for tiny homes. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one will you pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.